In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively design and send emails using Mailchimp. If you're looking to enhance your email marketing skills, stay tuned as we go through this process step by step. Let's start by navigating to Mailchimp's homepage. Open up your preferred browser and type in us99.admin.mailchimp.com. Once you're there, if you haven't already, take a moment to log into your account. From the homepage, our next step is to click on the Create button. This is usually located in the top menu bar and is your gateway to developing a variety of marketing content, including emails, social media posts, and more. After clicking Create, you'll be presented with several options. For our purposes today, we're going to focus on email, so select Design Email. This option allows you to craft visually appealing emails that are sure to catch your audience's attention. Once you've clicked Design Email, you'll land on a screen that showcases different template options. Whether you want something clean and simple or a bit more elaborate, it's all here. For those just starting, or if you're in a hurry, choosing a basic layout is a great option as it offers the essentials and can easily be customized to fit your branding needs. After choosing your layout, click Apply. This will bring you into the email editor where the real magic happens. In this section, you can highlight text to adjust its formatting. For instance, to ensure your message is not only read but also easily digestible, pay attention to the line height of your text. Click the line height button and you'll see different options. Selecting the appropriate line height can make your email appear nicely spaced and reader-friendly, so take the time to experiment a little to see what works best for your content. Perhaps you want to add a bit more polish to your text by adjusting the letter spacing. Just like with line height, this can impact the overall readability and aesthetic of your email. To do this, click on letter spacing and small arrows will appear, allowing you to make incremental adjustments. Small changes can have a big impact, so feel free to toggle the arrows gently to find that perfect balance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned to navigate Mailchimp's design tools, allowing you to create emails that are both professional and engaging. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger marketing team, these skills will be indispensable as you build connections with your audience. Thanks for watching and happy email.